You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. Thanks to all of you for watching my videos and being there for me. I really do appreciate it. Especially when you comment and share information about stuff that you had and tried, and we can communicate back and forth, which I do. And by the way, I also always put something in the description area of every video, kind of letting you know what's going on, so I don't have to do it in the video. I can kind of tell you what I'm doing, and then any extra things that I figured out about the product I just showed. So this one here are 3 hot Pringles. One is limited time only. They're Scorchin hot ones. It looks like a sauce, a Calientes Verde. I don't know. I've never seen that before. The second one is called Scorchin Cheddar, and the third one is called Scorchin Barbecue, and it's got they both have hot peppers underneath the chip with a flame. One has a flaming pit underneath it, and the other one has like a cheese, like a wad of cheese. We'll take a closer look. And then when I showed these originally, I also mentioned maybe doing some of these milk magic straws. Now, I have done some of those in video, but I grabbed, the first one was bubble gum, chocolate, and then cookies and cream. You know how when you have stuff that's hot, you always drink milk? Now, I'm not one to do hot challenges or anything like that. I enjoy hot stuff here and there. It's not something I normally would cook with often. I do put crushed red pepper, and I do like black pepper on my french fries, believe it or not. I take ketchup, and I just load it up with black pepper, and that's how I dip my french fries. I don't know, started it a long time ago, and I seem to enjoy it. All right, so how am I going to do this? Well, let's see. Bubble gum, I'm just going to keep it in this order. So I'm going to do, here, we'll do it this way. I'm going to show you the Scorchin, and then I'll have the cookies and cream. Now, I have some milk off to the side. I've got all my presentation stuff ready. So let me grab, I'm just going to do a little plate to get the chips out so I can compare all the colors. You know, I like to compare the colors. And then, ooh, I got too much light going on there. It was too bright. Back down. Okay. So let's see. So this one, I'll describe it a little bit better, has got a potato chip in the middle, which looks like it's got all that barbecue-y goodness on it, a flame off to the side, and then, I don't know, something dripping off of one end, and underneath it is a hot pepper, and below it is this bowl, like a purple bowl with flaming barbecue is what that is. There's the grates, and there's any other information. 2022 Pringles. Interesting. I don't know why, I just got it. And then the can is really neat. It's got bright pinks and purples with the Pringles character with little puffs of smoke coming out of his ear. And the top of the Pringles, oh, there's a different date. September 11, 2023. And then on the top is the red Pringles guy with his mustache. Red background, I mean. Okay, so let's see this. Let's do the Pringles peel. Here we go. That poof of air. All right, so let's just put some on the plate so you can kind of see the coating. And it's really just around the edges for the most part. It's very light on the internal part. Wow, I'm having a hard time with my lighting. Something's going on with my camera. Okay. And then I'll leave some just under right here to taste. Okay, that is Pringles number 1. So here we go. So like I said, it's just the ends. There's some on the bottom. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's on the bottom. You know where the outside of the Pringles is. All right, here we go. I'm going to see if they're as hot, if they're scorching. So I'm chewing now. Hold on a second. I had my phone on and I heard a doo-doo-doo-doo. It's actually a UPS delivery for shipping boxes. All right, here we go. Surprisingly, there's some good heat. It's not unbearable anyway. And it's on the back of my throat. I'm going to keep eating them. Let me grab my glass. And this is 4 straws. It says, put the milk in, put the straw in. That's it. Okay, now it's more in my mouth. Ooh, a really nice heat, by the way. Bigger straw, bigger flavor. I forgot. Are you supposed to break them off in there? I don't remember. Okay, impossible to open. Ooh. So what do? It doesn't say. It says easy to use. Stick cookies and cream straw into a fresh glass of milk and sip. Ah, so you're not actually depositing this in there. It's going to go through the straw to get you the flavor. It was under misconception. I thought I've had some where you just... Okay, it's still going to go into the straw and out of the straw and mix in your cup. At least that's what I'm guessing. Let me just try it. Here. Okay, suction-wise, it takes a little bit to draw the milk through. Let me keep eating chips. It's not getting hot where I say to myself, "Ooh, that's really hot." Not at all. And I'm not getting any cookies and cream flavoring. Ooh, did you see it? It just dropped down. Let me try it again. Okay, I'm just tasting the milk. Is it squishy in there? Oh yeah, listen. Here, listen. They're in there. Okay, I'm not too certain about that one. Not doing anything. All right, let's break out the second one. Scorching cheddar. Let me bring the camera back. There we go. That's what I want to see. Another glass. I'm going to get the straw started. Now this is chocolate. It didn't actually do much. Listen, that's what's in there. I almost just want to do this. I'm going to take a straw, bring this one back, cut an end off, and just drop them all in. Ooh, I like that. Then mix them around. Now, they probably don't recommend that because they don't want drinking the little chocolate beads. It's like a boba tea, right? Okay. We're going to let that one do its thing before I interrupt it. Now this one, the Scorchin cheddar, pretty much the same picture, except this one's got the drippy cheese, and it's dripping on a hot pepper with a wedge of cheese underneath it. This is September 10th. Expiry. Ooh, that sound. Now, oddly enough, it's the exact same color. Almost the exact same color. I can't tell a difference. Can you tell a difference between the two? Maybe this one's a little more yellow, but they're very close. Let's give it a bite. Okay, there's the overtone of the cheddar. Let me try this. I don't know, I'm not getting much of a flavor. It's not very strong. Let me try this again. And when you first bite it, you do get that cheese flavor, like a macaroni and cheese flavor, but The chips themselves are very close. Same kind of heat. I'm getting it around my lips, the back of my throat. Okay, now that's changing the milk. Look at that. Now that looks like chocolate milk. I like that. I hate to say, it's almost like a plasticky flavor to me. But that's what I'm getting. So that's what I'm saying. All right, so those two. Let's bring in the third one. You think it's going to look exactly the same? The Pringles Scorchin limited time hot ones. First We Feast is what it's called. Presents hot ones. Los Calientes Verde. Now, there is the flaming chip, but it's on the bottom of the can. Ooh, this one's different. It's got something different on the back. Dare to scan. So it's got the scanner thing on it. QR code, what is that? Well, just for interest's sake. August 5th, 2023. Okay, let's... Ooh, this one kind of... Anytime they do something with green, it kind of reminds me of mold. I don't know about you, but when I see a green food product like that, I think mold. What about you? I smell that one. That one's really strong. Okay. Now we're going to try the bubble gum. Hopefully this one's got more flavor. Less than 6 grams of sugar, portion controlled. That's kind of why. Milk flavoring straws. The smell on this one is coming right through to my nostrils. Okay, so look at the straw. Ooh, these could be little drums on the top. Let's see. Pretty cool. The little straws are like little maraca sticks. So you just put it in and sip. So let's try this moldy looking chip. Do you agree with me? Okay, I like that one. Out of all of them so far, it kind of reminds me of that green salsa flavor. Ooh, this one's the hottest. Okay, so now my mouth is really burning. I feel it in my nose and my nostrils. I kind of want to sneeze. Okay, the flavoring is very light. Like I get a tiny hint of bubblegum, but it's artificial flavor to me. Another one. It's on my lips now. Hot. My whole mouth is hot. The back of my throat is hot. Let's cut off a blue. Put it in. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, look at the water there. I mean the milk there. It's very blue. Woo! That one is really hot. So my whole mouth is on fire now. Ooh, little pieces of plastic flying over here. I'll show you this one a little bit closer detail as I drop the little beads in. This is totally not how you're supposed to use this product, but got that little hiccup there. For portion control, I'm going to agree with that. It's very, very light flavor. Have you ever popped a Pringles can? I'm going to take one of each. You take a Pringles can. Here, I'll be right back. Let me grab some. Okay, I ended up eating that off camera, not thinking I grabbed it, but didn't try it for you. It's very good. It's all three in a stack. Here we go. You take your Pringles. You finish the can. You put the lid back on. You set it on the ground. And you stomp on it with your foot. And you get this. Here, let's see. And it usually shoots across the ground. At least that's what the old Pringle cans did. You kind of get that sense. It gets like a pop. Like that. And they shoot. And I remember doing that as a kid. Here we go. You ready? It shoots pretty good. It makes a cool sound, doesn't it? All right, let's see if I can salvage this back in here. All right, so where am I at? The two... Oh, yeah. This should be a Pringles challenge. Getting your Pringles back in a Pringles can. There. I got most of them in. Not all of them. All right, so what am I going to say? All right. These straws, very light flavor. Doesn't really give me a good... that is chocolate. Or that is bubble gum. Although I'll try this one again. Let's mix it. Do it again. All right. Take that back. This one has the strongest, best flavor, the bubble gum. You really taste that one. In regards to the chips, these are the best. The best heat, the best flavor. And overall, they're good, but I enjoy this the most. So I think it ended up being the blueberry with this one as the best combo. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Let me know what you think. Have you had these before? Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.